I went to chill with the big boys.
She's a lady TJOPEX.
Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you are welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. So today, can you guess? It's a fun video. I went to chill with the big boys. I wish. No, I was on a work visit to the UAE. It was work. No time to play, but I was able to capture some scenery for you, and I know you enjoy it. The videos are rather long, so I think I'm going to break them into segments. Maybe I'll call it Sights and Sounds of the UAE, or Sights and Sounds of Dubai, or I'll call it Dubai Vlog 1, Vlog 2, Vlog 3, because I try to capture different things that might be of interest to you. While I went to the UAE, though that was vacation and I actually enjoyed myself, but going back to work now, I was so surprised at the amount of transformation that has taken place. It is amazing what these guys are doing there. It's like overnight, paradise springs up every single place in the UAE, and it's impressive, quite impressive. So why don't you sit back as you enjoy the sights and sounds of UAE. I tried to capture as much as I could the days I was able to go out. If not, it was just work, and I wasn't feeling so well, but I needed to. It was a tight and a busy schedule, but I know you enjoy it, because even I was amazed at the transformation that has taken place in just over a year. And I don't know about you, but beauty motivates me, so it was really a nice environment to work. So let's see. I don't know how many segments I'm going to cut this video. I just know for a fact that I don't want to make a long and boring video, because basically the sights and one or two stuff that you're going to see. Why don't you sit back and enjoy it? So this is the old goat soup in Jeddah, where you can get gold, diamonds, and gold. Guys, things are so expensive. The inflation is real. Only went sightseeing. I ran into some people. I don't know what they were celebrating. Apparently it was a festive mood. So just sit back and relax and enjoy this. So much I just couldn't get close, but it was something for the eyes. So my darlings, let me know if you enjoyed this video. As you look out for the next one, don't forget to hit the like and the subscription button. I want to let you know that there is beauty in everything if only you search for it. Bye.